Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quietly crept back upwards today, and it's now sitting at a very interesting location from a resistance standpoint. But before I get to that, let's just first focus on the fact that it did an absolutely beautiful job of respecting that purple line right there, which I've talked about in past videos, but that purple line representing the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And that's why it's famous. I mean, what a coincidence, right where the price happened to find some support and then eventually start to work its way back upwards, right at that purple line. So moral of the story there is that moving forward, that purple line is certainly that ideal level where, if you were to ask Clay, what's going to make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, yeah, if the price can continue to hold above that area, that would definitely be, the preferable situation. Right now, that purple line is valued at $2.20. So, give or take right around that area, that is, where that area of support is going to be valued at moving into next week. But the more interesting thing is how the price, because like I said, it went nicely upwards the entire day, was that the price is now entering back right into the realm of this area of resistance at $2.55. And I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but my point here is that there's a lot of people watching that level. And when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movement. So nothing's guaranteed, but it's more than rational to think that if the price can consolidate out around here, get up there and then break up through that area, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure and very well send it back up to $3, if not higher than that, especially with some of the ways these stocks have been moving. Again, I don't say that in a guaranteed way, but if it's a high volume break of that, you got to think that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So let's see what happens with this one next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.